Hey everyone, Crafts with Crashly here. I have a Diamond Art Club sneak peek for you. This one is so freaking pretty and it looks like it's massive too. This is called Ship in a Bottle by Steve Sundram, or maybe Sundram, I'm not sure. Sorry, Steve, if I botched your last name. My bad. But here is the full box. It is so beautiful. It is a square kit. It is 97.8 centimeters by 69.9 centimeters, all inclusive. We have our thumbnail down here, Ship in a Bottle by Steve Sundram. And let's see, I believe this is the end. Whew, there we go. Nope, that's not the end. I thought there was, oh, here, duh. So it is 66 colors, including 2 ABs and 3 fairy dust diamonds. Total diamonds, 110,433. Yeah, so pretty. I cannot wait to see what it looks like. And I love this painting so much. When I saw it, I went to Diamond Art Club's website, and Steve Sundram has a bunch of other paintings there too. He does a lot of animals and nature stuff. Sorry, that was really in there. I was doing it at an angle though. But yeah, lots of nature and fantasy stuff going on. He has one on there called Mermaid Baby Fantasy. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. But this one is stunning. It's coming available this Saturday. Let's run through the toolkit very quickly here. All right. Gonna push this out of the way. Okay, so we have our extra baggie for storage. We have the Diamond Art Club pen with the cap. You just start twisting this thing very slowly, and then wax will start coming out. And they do have their upgraded wax too. I've heard so many great things about that. I'm really glad people are liking it. This is their, it looks kind of like clear. It's better than the other putty that they were sending before. And if you don't like putty too much, they also send the heart wax. And you have a 7-placer here as well if you want to do more than the 4 it came with. Slide those over there. Oh yeah, and of course their upgraded drill tray with the stopper. You all saw that. Okay, I'm a little eager beaver right now is all. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, oh la la. Look at this card. Is this a gold card? It might be bronze. I can never tell what the different colors are on these. But here is his collector's card for this. I like how it zoomed in on the ship. Can you all see that? It's so pretty. So you have the name of the painting here, and you have the size on it, size of it and everything. And then back here you have a little scratch off thing. You get a code, and you get so many you can redeem things on their website. There's things like a custom diamond painting gift cards and such, so be sure to check that out if you're interested. Inside this foldy thing here, we have our tips and tricks, kit contents, QR codes to save 20%, step-by-step instructions as well. And if you have not purchased from Diamond Art Club before, and this would be your first time, click my link in the description of this video, and you get a discount and I get a little kickback. It is an affiliate link, so check that out if you're brand new. And inside this, we have our individualized stickers that you can use to kit up. Here is another thumbnail of the image. It's like a ship. It's not just like a ship in a bottle. Like there's a whole scene going on in this bottle. It's really cool. Lots of details. The little treasure chest. You had a little starfish here, a bunch of shells. Lots of details. And here's our, like I said, individualized stickers, as you can see. And they now put all of their special drills at the end. So you can see that it has like AB 453 and AB 5200, and here's our 3 fairy dusts. So we have our regular Diamond Art Club symbols here. And I go ahead and set this off over here with the card. Don't lose the cards, oh my gosh. Alright, let's open this up. Put this over here too and try not to knock everything over like I did last time. Okay, where's the opener? Here it is. Let's check it out. It's a pretty big canvas, so I may have to pause the video to flatten it out to get us a better view. But what we'll do is we will open it up take a quick gander, go through the drills, and then I'll give you a closer up of the canvas itself. Ooh, this is pretty. Oh my goodness, okay. Oh, it's massively amazing. You could see this whole scene. See, I don't know if this is a whole separate scene inside. It looks like, to me, there's this whole scene inside of this bottle. But I guess there very well could be this island in the background. You can't see it, I'm tripping. Look at this. See, doesn't it kind of look like it's its own thing? But there could be down yonder, and it just looks neat because it's through a glass bottle. But this is so pretty. I like what they did with the sky too. I'll show you closer up in just a minute. Let's go ahead and go through these drills real quick, and then I'll take you through the canvas. But it is stunning. Diamond Art Club is, I tell you what, they're so impressive with their ability to render these kinds of detailed works. It's not like those old school, you know, shops from China where you choose your size and you could like get this image in like an 8x10 or something crazy where it just clearly won't look good. You always know that you're going to get a fabulous rendering with DAC, and that's what I like about them. Well, one of the many things I like about them. Okay, let's take a look at the colors. I'm going to zoom in just a wee bit. All right, so we have 2 bags of 340, pretty light purple. We have our AB 5200, 793. Oh, there we go. We have 3 big bags of 793. Then we have a, come on now, 161, 799, 407, 3756. Here's our first fairy dust, Z800. Look at those pretty glittery drills. We have 3842. Listen, if you don't stop twisting, I'm going to put you in a bottle. That's what I thought. So 2 bags of 3842. We have 554, 826, AB 453. See that beautiful coating on there. 3743, 2 bags of that. 2 bags of 341. Put those over here. All right, next strand here. All right, we have 340. 3 big bags of 3807. Another purple. 2 bags of 758. 210. 2 bags of 3859. 3861. 3 bags. 517. 3772. 762. 2 bags of 159. And 2 bags of 3830. 3778. Next strand. I'm trying not to make a mess with all this, but you know me, messes are inevitable. All right, we have 2 bags of 6032, 2 bags of 452, 825, 3858, 2 bags, 2 bags of 355, 898, 3771, 2 bags of 6031, 2 bags of 813, 2 bags of 792, 2 bags of 803, lots of blues. There's a lot of sky here too. 3752, lots of sky and water. All right, and there we go. We have 3810, 823. Here's another fairy dust, Z3855. Glittery, pretty. 6010, 435, 3371, 6014, 552, 3808, 318. Another fairy dust, Z722. That's a really, really pretty orange. Oh, that's pretty. Okay, 3809, 321, 3740, 550, 451, 3726, 3854, 498, 839. Okay, this is our last one, maybe? Looks like it. All right. We have 2 bags of 6030, 3752, 2 bags of 336, 754, 951, 939, 780, 3064, 775, 158. Big array of beautiful colors, lots of blues and vibrant little splashes in there. Okay, I am going to go ahead and flatten out this canvas here and try to see where our special drills are going to be and then give you a better close-up. So I'll be right back. Okay, so first I'm going to take you to the top left corner. We are in where the sky is. We have our ship in a bottle, sky. And so these white symbols were some of our ABs that we had going on. So it looks like a decent amount of color blocking / confetti. Sorry if I'm going too fast. And then I'm going to go straight down so you can get a close-up of the bottle. Here's where the bottle is with the little cork coming out there. Alright, we're going to go inside the bottle now. Zoom out so you can kind of see where we are. So this is the actual ship. This is where our other fairy dusts were inside of the little things. These are like the cabin lit up. And you have like the little fire to light the way there. So we have some fairy dust in there as well, along with the sails over here. Beautiful. And then we have our little, what looks to be an island right there. So pretty. And then down here, bottom of the bottle, we have a cute little dolphin. And then we have another dolphin tail here and here. This looks really good. I'm just impressed by the rendering. Over here is the side with the sky. We had other ABs here, like within the waves. Down here is where we get into a bit of confetti. But this is like the sandy stuff, you know? Bit of confetti going on. But I bet it looks amazing. Little treasure chest here. There's also 2 shells here. Really pretty shells. And then in this one is where we had that yellow fairy dust with this striped sign here. Overall, it is a very stunning painting. I hope this is on your list to get. Like I said, if it's your first time purchasing, use my link in the description. But yeah, this is absolutely stunning. It would make a perfect gift. Definitely check it out, and check out his other artwork too, because like I said, it's a lot of mixture between fantasy and nature. I don't know, I love it a lot. But yeah, until next time, if you're brand new, hit that subscribe button, hit the thumbs up on your way out, and the notification bell so you don't miss when I post next. Until next time, everyone, bye-bye.